Hi, good day, students. Today we are going to see 1.3 stoichiometry, and the first part is balancing chemical equation by applying inspection method. I'm going to introduce to you new method called algebraic method. Inspection method, I'm quite sure you have learned in your upper secondary school during balancing chemical equation. So algebraic method will be a new technique to balance the equation. I hope you can understand. I would like to see example B, for example. We look at example B, sorry. We will look at example B. C6H6 O2 produces CO2 plus H2. Let's say for the first compound C6H6, we use symbol A, oxygen B, carbon dioxide C, and water D. So we denoted each compound with one alphabet, preferably A, B, C, D, or you can use any other alphabets. For example, P, Q, R, S. All those examples can be used. Okay. So now we look at the element by element. So for carbon, on the left hand side of the equation, there is 6 carbon multiplied by A, we get 6A. And here there is no carbon. Here there is no carbon. Or here there is one carbon, sorry. One carbon. So what will happen here is this arrow sign will become equal to. And we see we have one carbon over here. So 1 times C, I get 1 C. Okay, this is for carbon. We continue with hydrogen. There is no other carbon, only one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. How about hydrogen? Hydrogen, we have 6 hydrogen multiplied with A. So 6A again equals to, there is no hydrogen over here. There is no hydrogen over here. There is 2 hydrogen over there. So again, this arrow sign will become equal. Right? And 2 multiplied with D, we get 2D. Okay, that is for hydrogen. Now for oxygen. Oxygen, there is no A. There is no A for oxygen. B, yes, we have 2. We have 2 oxygen. Then we say 2B. And the arrow sign become equal to. We have 2 oxygen to the C, so it become 2C. And we have 1 oxygen to the D, so it become 1D. Take note, plus is become plus. Okay, only the arrow symbol, we change it to equal sign. Okay, so I think all the elements are here, carbon here, hydrogen and oxygen. Now we can try to solve it. So the solution starts with if A equals to 1. So we try to solve the first one. We try to solve this one. We try to solve this one. 6A equals to 1C. A equals to 1. 1C. C equals to 6. Okay, then C is solved. Now we can also solve the D. 6A equals to 2D. A equals to 1. D equals to 3. D also solved. Now we can solve B. Since we know the D is 3, C is 6, so we can find what is B. 2B equals to 2C plus 1D. 2B equals to 2C, C is 6 and D is 3. So that is 11. 2B, B equals to 11 over 2. So now we substitute all the ABC into the equation. C6H6 O2 CO2 H2O. This was A, this was B, this was C, and this was D. So we start with A first. A equals to 1. So we erase and we put 1. B equals to 11 over 2. So erase. We put here 11 over 2. C equals to 6. So we erase. C equals to 6. And D equals to 3. So D equals to 3. Then it is a balanced equation. This is how you do the algebraic method.